So, do you have AI photos that you want to sell? A lot of these photos were rejected from stock sites because of their quality, their bad quality, or because these photos had artifacts. Now you can check AI photos with this website for free for quality and artifacts. Let me show you how. So here I have generated with Midjourney about 5,000 photos. Yeah. These all photos are all AI generated. What I wanted to do with these photos, it was to sell them on stock photos websites, yeah, like Adobe Stock or FreePic or Shutterstock or whatever site you can upload them. But there was a problem. I had to sort all these photos manually. Beside this, I didn't know which photos have artifacts. Yeah, for example, you know that the AI, when it's generating people hands, some of this AI generates 6 fingers, and it's not okay. It has to be 5 fingers. Yeah. So I created a website in Lovable, and what this website does is you drop your photos here. Let me choose a folder or some photos. Okay, so these photos are all generated with Midjourney. Yeah, so these are AI photos, and let's import this image, which is cozy Christmas, a Christmas tree, and now the AI analyzed this image, and you see here it gave this image a quality score of 75%, which is not very good. Here it tells us what are the problems with this image. For example, this textural anomalies, the frosted effect on the Christmas tree branches appears somewhat artificial and overly uniform in places, and so on. Object distortions. The small decorative trees on the mantelpiece have an unnaturally smooth and slightly melted appearance. Yeah. So this photo is now analyzed, and also what this site does is to generate a title, a description, and also a category which you can choose from here, and also keywords that you can add. You can also add keywords as well and remove them if you want. So now, after you have your photo analyzed, by the way, there is a limit of one photo for every minute that you can analyze, because I'm on a free plan and it's very limited for me on Lovable. So now you can download the photos. Yeah, in this case, this is the only photo, or you can download CSV. Yeah, CSV, if you know, let me show you. Actually, in the Adobe Stock contributor, contributor program, you see that you can have this option of upload CSV. This CSV that practically is an Excel file contains all the keywords and description and category of these photos. Yeah. For example, I can download this photo. Yeah. I can upload it to Adobe Stock, but of course it is not allowing me to do this because the photo is too small in resolution. Yeah, let me try again and see what is the error message. Yeah, it couldn't be. Its resolution is too small. Yeah, it's small resolution. But for example, you can upload. Let me choose another photo. Yeah, let's say I upload this photo, Yeah, I have this photo, and now you see that in the right I have file type, category. Here are keywords that were I can add them individually, or I can upload CSV. I have some instructions here, and after I download my CSV from this website, I can upload my CSV here. I can upload my CSV here, and when I refresh to view changes, if the CSV file corresponds to the file name of the photo here, I should have all my keywords completed, like I have, for example, in this image. Yeah, here you see that I already have these keywords completed, and also my title, category, and so on. Yeah. So this is the thing with the photos and CSV. Currently, this website, I wouldn't recommend it as it is now to download CSV and upload it to Adobe Stock, for example, because it's not properly set it. Yeah, it's not properly configured because Adobe Stock has a CSV template that you must follow. Yeah, if you want to upload a bunch of photos and all the photos to pull in all the information from the CSV. Yeah, this is the CSV template that I downloaded from Adobe Stock. Yeah, you can download it from here. Okay. So you see that this photo has some anomalies, some artifacts. I can clear it and upload another photo. Let's upload the photo Maasai warrior, an African people, an African man. Hello from Romania if you are in Africa. So this photo has as well some artifacts or anomalies, anatomical inaccuracies, and also textural anomalies. You can pause the video and read these instructions if you want. And of course, you can edit the title. Yeah, if I write here something, or the description as well, you can edit it. But now I want to upload a photo from FreePic. Let's see if it says that, oh, this is the limit that I was saying. You have to wait 1 minute and now 20 seconds before analyzing another image. So I want to upload an image from another website that I know that it's not AI generated, to see what this website that I created says. Let's try this again. Okay, let's retry here. And now it's analyzing the image, and let's say if it says that is okay, or if it has something else. Yeah, its quality score is 90%, and it also says that these are some textural anomalies and object distortions. As far as I know, this image is not AI generated, it's downloaded from FreePic, but it also says that has some anomalies. As you can see, this website uses Gemini for analyzing images, and it can be wrong. It can make mistakes. So double check your photos. If you know that your images are right, are okay, don't believe this Gemini analysis of the photos. Yeah. Okay, so basically this is the website. Let me upload another photo. This is a texture, a background, something photo. It shouldn't say anything wrong about it, in my opinion. But let's see what it is telling us about this photo. The processing takes a little bit of a few seconds. Textural anomalies, while generally consistent, some areas show slight uniformity in grain that could be more organically varied. I think this AI is too specific, very what is the word? Very critique. Yeah, if you if you want. But as I said, upload your AI images, see if what this site tells you corresponds with what you think about the photos. You can find this website, this tool at, I will put the link in the description below. Just a quick reminder, if this website is not working when you are trying to access it, it might be because of the limits of the lovable free plan that I have. So if you try the site, please let me know what do you like about it, what are some bugs, some features that you want, and also if it is a lot of demand for this kind of website. Yeah, if there are many people who want to use it, I can make it, of course, a paid plan, so many of you can use it. And if you liked this video, I have another one right here for you. Thank you very much. Goodbye.